Hi, my name's Theresa. I'm part of the TM5 team here in the Bryan-College Station area. I wanted to come on here and share my testimony. I've always been a $1 million producer. I've been in the business for about 6 years. Joining Terrence's team, I now can say that I will hit 12 million this year, at least if not 12, then I would definitely be hitting 10 million this year. Some things that have changed in my real estate career being a part of the team has been Terrence's coaching. So every time I have an issue, I'm able to call him, and he's always extended that olive branch on how to coach me. And another thing that has changed in my real estate career is being a part of the team. I have to call 500 people, so that's definitely been out of my comfort zone. So he pushes us to be out of our comfort zone so we can grow. That's one thing that I really love about being a part of the team. You know, just him wanting us to be better, him striving for us to be different agents. So putting us in those situations, I definitely have appreciated.